Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Didn't really want to do this video, but let's get into it. So welcome back guys. Sorry I haven't posted for a while, but that's for a reason. After the last event, pretty much went downhill pretty quickly. You guys saw me whinging about my back pain in the video, and sure enough, CT scans and MRIs later, I've got a severe bulging disc at the bottom of my back, and that's compressing the nerves in my leg. So for the last 2 months, I haven't been able to walk, sit, stand. I've only just got back up on my feet, and what that does mean is it's probably over for me for the season. Which is sort of funny because I thought the old Falcon might break before I did, but sure enough, it's still here. It's still going good. What that does mean is we can start putting in plans for next year. But yeah, unfortunately, I need surgery, so I've got to wait for that. If there is a minimal chance I can get back for the end of the season, but if there's no chance of me possibly like nipping second, I'm probably not going to come. But just because I can't walk and do much doesn't mean we can't still do stuff on the car. I'm still going to try and do some stuff, even though I'm pretty much a cripple. So one of the first things we're going to be doing, because I can sort of limp around and do it, and I can stay up on my feet for a few minutes at a time, is we're going to get rid of this bobtail spoiler, and we're going to go for the biggest spoiler we can get within the regs. Has to be a factory upgrade. And got the box over there. I will show you guys what we got. And here it is. It's a GT spoiler from a GT BA or BF. It also has the middle bit in there. Brake light goes in there. Obviously it's not going to look like that or sit there, but that's going to be the next job. I'm going to prep that up, sand it up, paint it, we'll put it on. That's all I can really do when I'm crippled, but we've got a bit of a plan going forward for next year. So we did do a brake upgrade to the bigger discs and stuff like that, but quietly all this season I haven't been able to bleed my brakes properly. So that actually became an issue when in the last event you see me over braking the last corner of the last lap. It's the brake fluid, but also I want to get upgraded calipers, probably get some DBA ones. We'll go for some slotted and drilled. I need slotted rudders, not just these standard Brembo non-slotted ones. We're going to go for a fatter tyre on the back, which means we're going to need to do some guard rolling. We've still got King springs and stock shocks, so later on in the season next year I'm going to try and get the coilovers for the back end. We've got the Super Bro sway bar in the back. We need to match that in the front. And yeah, there's a few other stuff that I want to get going, but I've got to pay for surgery and doctors and all that sort of stuff, so I'm limited to what I can buy at the moment. But we are still going to go forward with at least some downforce. But yeah, this is more of an update video more than anything. Just letting you guys know where I'm at. I'm still going to be doing some videos. I'm just out down for the count. I'm going to go lay down after this. But I had a good season either way. If I don't, I won a round. I think I got 4 seconds, a couple of thirds, and I still might even finish third. I might have logged enough points to do that. So I met a lot of cool people. I've learned a lot, and I definitely know what I'm in for next year, so we can give it another red hot crack. But William, mate, the donation, you're a part of that spoiler. Cheers mate, you're a legend. Appreciate that heaps, really do appreciate that. But yeah, that's the update video. The Falcon's fine, look at her. The BTR, everything held up. I can't ask any more out of this car. It did great. It did great. So hopefully I'll be back on my feet soon, making more videos. That spoiler one will be next. And if we're lucky, I'll give myself like a 20% chance of getting back at the end of the season. But yeah, I don't recommend that to anyone. Everyone, look after your back, because I've never been in so much pain in my life, and I've broken bones and all sorts of stuff. So look after your back, guys. And as always, thanks for watching. Until the next one, see you later.